In this video, we are going to see about the MCAFE McAfee is hiring candidates for the role of cloud developer software engineer. It's a product-based company. In this video, let me discuss about the selection process as well as the eligibility criteria and also discuss about the package that are provided by the company. First, let me see the company profile. This company is India Center MIC based Bangalore, which is present in Bangalore. Mostly, it will be a part of Intel Security and subsidiary of Intel Corporation. Means this company belongs to Intel company. This is a short description about the company. Now let me discuss about the job description. This position is an integral part of this company where you will be working on cloud related apps. Basically, you will be a cloud software developer where you will be implementing securities as well as using the cloud technology to build the softwares as well as the products. This is a basic job description given by the company. The job role they are providing is a software engineer under the field of cloud. You will be a developer here. Location is Bangalore. Now let me discuss about some of the eligibility criteria they are looking for. You should be like 0 to 1 years of software development experience. This means you can be a fresher, or if you having a 1 year of experience, then also you can join the company or you can apply for this particular job role. And you should have the knowledge of Java, Spring Boot. You should be worked on Amazon Web Services, and you should have knowledge in Python, web frameworks such as Flask, Tornado, and some of the databases and Docker. And also you should know some of the concept of agile life cycle where the development team will be focusing on various stages for development. And also you should know some of the security things, stuffs like authentication, authorization, and you should know stuffs like servers. These are the details that are given by the company in the website. And also you should learn these things because if you are selected for the interview, then maybe you will be getting things on these topics. So before interview you should know all these topics. At least you should know the basics thing because most of the company will be looking into basics. So just focus on basics. And also you should be from the CSE, IT, electronics or electrical circuital branches as well as the CSE and IT department. You should be from these branches only in order to apply for this particular job role. Now let me discuss about the exam pattern. Uh, Now let me discuss about the exam pattern. I can't able to find the exact exam pattern, but by looking into some of the website, I found these selection process that are following by the company. Basically, there will be of 3 rounds: written exam, technical interview, and HR interview. And after some research I have done in internet, I found that sometimes they will be keeping some technical interviews, 2 or 3 technical interviews in order to test the technical knowledge of yours. So it depends upon situation in the company. So but basically there will be a 3 rounds only: written exam, technical interview, and HR interview. And you should have an academic criteria of 60 percentage throughout class 10th, 11th, and graduation. And you should be from the batches like computer science, IT, or electronics. I already told these things before itself about in the eligibility criteria session. Now let we discuss about the pattern of written exam. Quantitative ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and technical. Basically, these technical things will be asked from the eligibility criteria that I have mentioned in the before session. So, if you know Spring Boot and some other stuffs that I have told before, then you can easily crack this technical session, and you should prepare for quantitative ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. And each of will be of 20 questions, and time allocated will be of 20 minutes. Means for each question you will be getting only 1 minute, and you want to get more marks when compared to others. And also the time allocated for written exam is 90 minutes, and there will be no negative mark in the exam. And they have given here, and also they have mentioned some of the things they will be asking from the particular topics, like from technical round, sorry, from technical session in the written exam you will be getting some of the concepts from C language, DBMS, and error detection in programs. Sometimes it may be differ, because I don't know whether this process is latest or it is the old one. So it is better if you prepare the things that I have mentioned before about the technical stuffs, so you won't be losing any marks. Then they have given logical reasoning, some of the concepts like blood relation, direction, coding, and decoding, verbal ability like uh, basic grammar, usage questions like fill in the blanks, synonyms, antonyms, paragraph completion, sentence correction, vocabulary, and aptitude things like these things, boards, streams, HCF, LCM. Just take this screenshot of things which will be asked, and take this screenshot of exam pattern. That's it. You can prepare on your own. This is the things that will be asked. Sorry, this is the interview process, exam pattern also. Now let we discuss about the package that is given by the company. Basically, this is a product based company. You will be getting more package if you have higher skills. In this particular website like Ambition Box, I found that the average annual salary will be of 16.2 LPA, and they have also mentioned some of the software engineer salaries and other things. You can get it from the particular like Ambition Box website. You can get the salary details here. Here they have mentioned like from 0 to 14 years of experience you will be getting 16.2 LPA, which is a good thing, right? So that's it. This is the package. uh, Now, and also if you have any doubts you can contact me via the Telegram channel. I'll be giving the Telegram channel links in the description box. And also this is the product based company, right? And also it will be giving more package of 16.2 LPA. So you should have a very good resume, and it should be short and crisp, which will make the company to recruit you, and also which will help you to get the call from the company. So your resume should be short and crisp. I have already made a video how to make a single page resume, and also what are the things you have to mention in the resume. I already made a video for this. If you are interested, you can view those links in the description box. And also, if you want to prepare your resume, and you can check it via the internet, or you can go to the YouTube channels which are present in YouTube. So you can research all those things and make your resume perfect with single page. Up to my opinion is you should keep your resume a single page, because it will be more attractive, as well as it will be crisp to show to the interview. If you are having 2 pages or 3 pages of resume, then it will be not that much. But most of them will be keeping maximum 2 pages. But my opinion is to keep only a single page so that you'll be selected for the call or selected for the interview process. And also don't mention any personal details in your resume like your mobile number or your father's details, mother's details, your bio data. Don't mention those things. You should mention the skills which you know, and the projects that you have done. And if you are having any YouTube channels, or if you are having any Instagram channels where you post related to technology stuffs, and if you are having any Telegram channels, you can pin those handles, social handles, in the resume, so that it will be nice, because many of them will be not mentioning those things. If you are mentioning, you will be somewhat different, and you will be getting chance. Even in my resume, I have mentioned some the Instagram link as well as the Telegram link, where I will be posting some technology related things stuffs. And the interviewer started asking the questions from those things, and he appreciated me for doing those things. So mention those things, and keep the skills which you know, uh, like which you know 80%. And also you should know the basics 100%. If you don't know basics, then don't mention those skills in your resume. And also, if you don't know about the projects, for example, if you are done projects with your friends, but sometimes you don't know a detailed information about the project, in that particular situation you should not mention that particular project in your resume, because the interviewer will be asking things like, what are the technologies you have used, what is the role in your project, and can you explain the code that you have mentioned in your project. Like that, you will be getting those questions. If you have done one project by yourself, then go with one project. Don't add many projects, just two projects which you know 100%. That's it. All the best for the interview. And if you want to know other information about the companies or off campus placements and technology related things, you can follow me via the YouTube channel. All the best for your interview process.